Hey guys, so just back with a very quick Logic tip. So sometimes in your project you'll be playing a section of a track and you want to hear a next section. So for instance, let's say I needed to hear what was going on here. Let's say it was a crash or a down sweep. Well, sometimes I like to just play a few bars before, but it's really annoying because let's say you're halfway through a note and it could be an acid, a bass, anything. It doesn't play until we get to the next note. It's one of those small things, but it really can be frustrating. So what we're going to do is fix that. So you go to File, not Logic Pro, go to File, Project Settings, MIDI, go to Chase, and then press Notes. Just to confirm, that's File, Project Settings, MIDI. Once MIDI's opened, go to Chase, and you want to click this Notes. Close it down, and now your marker will play from anywhere in the track. So super little quick tip, super useful. Hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe. If you've got any requests, you can drop me an email. If you want to know anything about my lessons, it's tutorials@adamellisdj.com. Thank you for your time.